Imagine this, you've just sent money to a friend using Zelle. It's quick, easy, and convenient. But what if someone else could access your account through Zelle without your knowledge or consent? Is it possible? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Zelle and exploring a question that's on many people's minds. Can someone really hack your bank account using Zelle? Understanding Zelle. Before we get into the security aspect, let's briefly understand what Zelle is. It's a peer-to-peer payment service that allows you to send and receive money instantly using your bank account. It's widely used for quick transactions between friends, family, and even businesses. How Zelle works. Zelle operates on a hub-and-spoke model. Your bank connects to the Zelle network, which acts as a middleman. When you send money using Zelle, it goes through this network and is then transferred to the recipient's bank account. The security concerns. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Can someone hack your bank account using Zelle? The short answer is, it's unlikely but not impossible. Here's why. Phishing attacks. One of the most common ways hackers can gain access to your account is through phishing scams. These scams involve sending you emails or messages that appear to be from your bank or Zelle, asking you to click on a link or download an attachment. If you fall for this, you could be tricked into revealing your login credentials or other sensitive information. Social engineering. Hackers can also use social engineering tactics to trick you into sharing your Zelle information. For example, they might pretend to be a friend or family member in need of urgent financial assistance. If you're not careful, you might end up sending money to the wrong person. Compromised devices. If your device is infected with malware, it's possible for hackers to intercept your Zelle transactions and redirect them to their own accounts. This is why it's important to keep your devices updated with the latest security patches. Protecting yourself. While there's no foolproof way to prevent hackers from accessing your account, there are several steps you can take to minimize the risk. Strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for your bank account and Zelle. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA for your bank account and Zelle. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to provide a code sent to your phone or email in addition to your password. Be vigilant. Be wary of suspicious emails, messages, or calls. Never click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. Regularly monitor your account. Check your bank and Zelle accounts regularly for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to your bank immediately. Keep your software updated. Ensure that your devices and software are always up to date with the latest security patches. Avoid public Wi-Fi. When using Zelle, avoid using public Wi-Fi networks, as they can be less secure. So, can someone access your bank account through Zelle? While it's possible, it's highly unlikely if you take the necessary precautions. By following the tips we've discussed, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to a Zelle scam. Remember, your financial security is in your hands. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.